What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing today? Uh, so I missed last week recap video, and I just thought to quickly do that. So let's go. Okay. So last week was nothing too much, but what a quite interesting one. I had two trades that I held for the most part of last week. So on Monday, I got my first trade here based off what I'm looking at. This is a structure, a major structure level coming from the 4 hours, 1 hour, and then the daily time frame. Let me just quickly show you that. You see that GU pretty much has been on a range for a very long time. So that's the zone right there. And you see that GU has been on a ranging and just doing like, I'll call it something I call overextension. So that has pretty much been what has been going on. And so when I got this first entry on Monday, my confirmations are pretty much like inside bar formation as well as bullish engulfing candles. Well, it didn't work out. I got stopped out the first time. Then I gave it a second trial. Pretty much what I do is when I get a trade idea, I have two trials. If the first one fail, I try the second time. And then after the second time, I eradicate that idea totally. And I just look at the chart all over again. So after taking a loss here, eventually I was able to make a 4.8 ratio reward. And pretty much that was it for me for last week. I didn't take any other trade because I didn't see any setup. Market pretty much was just being dramatic all through. Ups and downs and stuff like that. So I just let it be, and then I had a trade on Monday again, this Monday, which is this week. So I don't think that would not be that will be coming into the new trade recap that I'll be doing. But just to sort of like show you guys, I don't know, my trackpad, my mouse is messing up, so I had to use trackpad. But this trade, I didn't manage it right, so I messed up sort of on this trade, and then it all went to break even. So I held the trade overnight and then I lost. And this morning I took another loss. So yeah, that has been my experience for this week. Nothing too crazy. For me, I'm in a level now where I just pay attention to my trading system. I do what the system tells me to do, and I try to avoid taking too many trades or being like emotional and dramatic about setups and all of that. I do what I need to do and accept the risk before it even happens. So if it's a win, I'm grateful. I move on to the next trade. If it's a loss, I also take it. I try as much as possible to not let it be something that gets to me, because honestly, losses are part of the game. You have to be ready to take losses. So yeah. So briefly I will take you to FTMO now for you to just see. So my FTMO, the drawdown is gradually reducing. So at a point, the drawdown has actually reduced to about 6%, but then the trade I hit break even. Yeah, the trade I hit break even on the 7th of October, which is today, and then one loss. So that's it. So I lost, took a good win from previous week, and then this is so far this week now. So hopefully it will stick on green, and then I'm able to like keep reducing the risk, keep reducing the drawdown as we keep going. So yeah, that's it for this video. I don't want to make it too long, and I don't want to keep yapping. So once again, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all my subscribers that have been patient with me. there has been understanding of how I'm not currently so consistent with my posting is because there's so many things going on for me right now, and I'm just doing my best to just make sure that I'm in the right headspace to do everything that I'm doing to be able to do it right and do it well. So thank you so much. I hope anything I've uploaded today or talked about makes sense to you. Yeah, take care. Bye bye.